Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today I'm going to be showing you how to swap crypto through the blockchain. I'm going to be using my Tangem wallet. Stay tuned. I'll be using my Tangem Hardware Wallet today and I wanted to show you how to do a swap. And just to give you some basics, when you do a swap, you need to have the asset with some amount already in it. For example, the Tron that I have right here, I'm going to be doing a swap on the Tether USDT that I have within the Tron network. But to swap the Tether from the Tron network, I need to pay the fees. But the fees won't be paid through Tether, it'll be paid through the network currency, which is Tron. Therefore, I've already loaded my account with some Tron, and you'll see that the fee that gets taken isn't through my USDT, it's directly my Tron that gets deducted. So how do you do a swap? With Tangem or any other wallet, even a software wallet, there will be a swap function if obviously if they have that available. But in Tangem, for example, you would click on the asset you want to swap. I could even potentially swap Tron, but I'm not going to do that. I want to do the Tether because I don't like holding anything that's fiat related. Lol. Anyways, there's a swap here. I've already shown you another video, the receive and send function. Today is the swap function. So what I want to do is I want to swap the maximum amount of Tether, which is $10 that it's saying that I have, or 10 USDT, to not HBAR. I want to buy some Bitcoin. Now you can choose what token you want. So there's obviously many tokens. You just type it in. Now I want to purchase Bitcoin or swap Bitcoin. Swap my Tether to Bitcoin. It says I'll receive 0.0008 Bitcoin. That very minute amount. Now the question is, how is this happening? These swaps use a third party to do the swap. So this swap will be provided by Change Now. It's apparently got the best rate compared to the dollars. And there's other ones as well. For example, Challengely and 1inch isn't available. There are other aggregators you can also do swaps on. For example, on the Solana network using Jupiter. Anyways, we won't be getting into that right now. I'm just showing you how a swap is initiated. So this swap for $10 is going to swap Tether from the Tron network to the Bitcoin network, and it's going to give us this. Now, if you look here, it's saying that the amount that we're going to get is minus 41% of the dollars. So I'm literally going to get $6 worth. Additionally, the network fee for sending the exchange funds back to your address is included in the rate. The amount includes the service provider fee, network fee for sending USDT from the exchange back to the user's address. That's a crazy fee. Look, it's actually gone down to 35%. The network fee is going to take 32 Tron, which is £3 and 7 pence. Let's initiate this swap. I click on that there. It's doing something. I will need my Face ID. Let me just do that. And now I need to scan, well, NFC tap my Tangem. Done. Okay, it's in progress, but let's see how long this progress actually takes. Just check the status. It's checking on Change Now. It's awaiting the deposit. So what's happening in the background is this wallet address is sending it to Change Now. Change Now is gonna say that the funds have arrived there, and then they're going to be sending Bitcoin to that specific address. It's just going to basically be exchanging it within the blockchain and sending it. Change Now is obviously taking a huge 35% fee for this service. That's obviously because I'm only doing $10. Say if I was doing 100,000, it wouldn't be 35% of the 100,000. It'd probably be uh, maybe £50 or something. Uh, so it's dependent on the value. This obviously $10 is costing quite a bit. Anyways, I should get that much. The receipt wallet is going to be my wallet there. Why? This wallet is the same wallet that I have in my private key. Okay, so let's close this. Let's actually check if that wallet is the correct one. It's ending CWU, as we can see here. Okay, let's go down. Swap. Let's go back. Bitcoin. Receive. And there we go. CWU. This is my address. Interesting. This app is pretty decent. It's saying exchange by change now is happening there. Exchange status, provider source data. So they're providing this information. This is very, very good. This, by the way, this is my first ever swap that I'm using on this Tangem. This Tangem, as you guys know, I've purchased it as just a testing item. Now, the thing is, do watch my Tangem video, because if you use my code, which I'll put in the description below, you get 10% off if you purchase this hardware wallet as well. So yeah, have a look at my unboxing and the application of this that I've showed. Excellent. So deposit received, they've confirmed it, they're exchanging it, and then they're sending it to me. And this obviously takes time because it's doing it via the network. Let's see. Let's go to the provider, see what's happening. Interesting, this hasn't updated, but either way, this should soon update. We've come on to the next part now. They've exchanged it. Now they're sending it to me. Wow, I'm excited to receive some Bitcoin, the most valued asset in the world. Okay, it's not right now, but in my opinion, it will be in the future. One thing, by the way, just as I'm conversating with you while this happens, one thing to check regarding Bitcoin, for example, because I'm a very huge Bitcoin advocate as well. One thing to check is keep an eye on house prices compared to Bitcoin. So maybe 10 years ago, you would have had to use 100,000 Bitcoin to purchase the value of, I don't know, £350,000 house or £400,000 house. But check the value of it now. It's saying here a Bitcoin is 50,000. So you only need 8 Bitcoin to purchase a property of 400,000. That's crazy. Look how that's changed over time. The question is, what will Bitcoin go to? Obviously, nobody knows if that's the question. That if you knew, GG, right? Anyways, it's still sending it to me. Let's wait for that to happen. Okay, so it's still saying sending to you, but if we check here, the transactions already come in. Now, what this is showing us, if we go into the blockchain here, that it's pending confirmations. As we know, Bitcoin is a proof of work methodology. It's proving, did this transaction happen? And after we have the confirmations, it will say, well, it will update this to say, okay, this address does have that many Bitcoin, and it'll validate it. Okay, now it says that it's been sent and the funds have arrived. So it's given us £5.14. I believe the total pounds was £7 something, and now obviously it's £5 that we received after the fees. So if we just check here, the block, there's one confirmation, therefore it's showing now on the account. So that's how you do a swap. You can do that with any currency, any crypto asset, and you can use many other aggregators as well. That's the main thing. But yeah, now I'm a proud owner of 0.00009689 Bitcoin.
Did you enjoy this video? If you did, pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say to me, or if you want me to make any future videos on whatever you want. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time. Take care.